Good morning, friends. Lot of public interest litigation petitions are being filed in the Supreme Court. Of course, in their view, they are public interest litigations. In my previous video, I told you that the Supreme Court commented that some of them are publicity interest litigations, and even our Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he stated that the pill workshop should be suspended or should be closed till the lockdown is over. But still, so many petitions are not coming. We cannot find fault with them. Let us know what is their intention. Of course, Supreme Court is commenting. They are actually, Supreme Court and High Court, they have restricted their functioning. Of course, since it is a public interest litigation, they have to dispose it of. So within 1 minute or 2 minutes time, they are disposing of the same. Of course, there are certain obiter dicta by the judges. You may be knowing what is obiter dicta. That is comments during the trial inquiry, but which do not take place in the proceedings. They do not reflect the judgment. They are obiter dicta. Better you know the obiter dicta also. Now we are going to discuss two public interest litigations. So Justice N.V. Ramana, Sanjay Kishan Kaul and B.R. Gawai, they preside over the bench, and they found the public interest litigation petition filed by the advocate Manohar Pratap. He filed a petition, public interest litigation, stating that the central government should direct, for that matter, TRAI, Telephone Regulatory Authority of India. So on behalf of the central government, they should supply free service of the so-called TV and app services, TV and all these mobile services like Netflix, Hotstar, then Amazon Prime, Vodafone, all these things, they come under this TRAI. Therefore, they should be directed to give free service. Why? After all, they are companies. Why? He has given is a funny, of course, his intention may be good. He says that humans are social beings and they are also emotional. So to vent out their emotions, to vent out their sentimental feelings, they need some company. They need some association. If the association not there, they need some entertainment. So why? Because to keep their psychological well-being in good fare. So the psychological well-being. That's why we have been seeing in some press people or the government also has appointed some psychologists also. If at all you get any psychic problem, you please ring to so-and-so number. We are there to serve you. Definitely it's a problem. Therefore he says to avoid and to give the psychological well-being in a good form of the human beings. So it is necessary to give free service for the TV channels, streaming apps like this Hotstar, Prime, Netizar, all, I don't know all the names like during this lock time, right? So he defended himself on the 2 points. One is psychological well-being of the people, and he cited Article 21 also. So if they do not provide the so-called channels, of course, for free, then it will be detrimental to the life and liberty of the individuals. Justice Ramana asked, what kind of petition is this? Are you going to withdraw the same or not? So immediately he agreed and he withdrew the petition, and the order came within 1 minute. I am talking about the second public interest litigation, right? So it has the Supreme Court commented that this has got a political color. Of course, this is also by advocates. Yes, this petition by advocate Shashwat Anand and 2 others. They were present to submit their arguments for the video conference. So they filed a public interest litigation challenging the procedure adopted by the government in containment of the COVID lockdown, and also the regarding the PM Cares Fund. So I already told you PM Citizen, I will assistance in that emergency situation, all the things I told you. So why this PM Cares Fund is there? It should have been diverted to the National Disaster Management Board. Why he wanted to book a separate cult for Narendra Modi? All these things they have put allegations. And second point is, instead of tracing them, treating them, they are only, the government is seeing that the community transmission is not there. So the government is not taking all precautions. So they expressed displeasure, saying that actually they are only trying to see that the community transmission is not there, therefore lockdown other things, but they are not following the Korean method like tracing, treating and testing, all these things. So it is not in their view, in the view of Shashwat Anand, it is fighting a fire blindfolded. కళ్ళు మూసుకొని యుద్ధం చేయటం. సో కళ్ళు మూసుకుంటే ఏం కనపడుతుంది? ఫైటింగ్ ఎ ఫైర్ బ్యాటిల్ విత్ బ్లైండ్ ఫోల్డెడ్ దే కామెంటెడ్. దెన్ ఇమీడియట్లీ జస్టిస్ ఎన్వి రమణ రిటార్టెడ్, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్, దిస్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ ఎ పొలిటికల్ కలర్. We are here, we are not interfering in the administrative action. Whether it is PM Cares Fund or National Disaster Management Fund, we do not know. We do not care. If it is misused, then you can come to the court. Otherwise, who are you to decide whether it is should be whether the money should go to PM Cares Fund or CM Relief Fund? All these we are not here to decide. Don't entertain with such a frivolous and scandalous petitions. It has got a political color. Are you going to withdraw the same, or do you want the court to impose a fine? Then immediately he folded his hands and said he is going to withdraw the same. So these are the news regarding the public interest litigations in the Supreme Court. Just now I have seen in the TV, NTV, I believe, NTV, a costly incident during this corona pandemic. So we have to take the same into account. It's a very costly, very pathetic story. There is one person by name Mr. Mahinder belonging to Jogulamma, Gadwal district. He is somewhere near Gadwal. His wife Janila, she is pregnant and he has to take her to the hospital. So normally people will not be allowed. The police restricted their movements and they are not supposed to go to. Of course, he went to the local government hospital at Gadwal and these people advised the woman to be taken to Karnool Government Hospital because it's nearer there. No doubt, even though it is in Andhra, normally people from Gadwal, they like to go to Karnool because it is nearer to them. But due to the restrictions and due to there was no pass and that too it is other state, so the woman, the Mr. Mahinder, he was not allowed to go to Karnool. Then he has put a message in the social media that police did not allow him. Ultimately somehow it came to the notice of the district collector of Jogulamma, Gadwal district. He made arrangements to take the woman to Mehboob Nagar hospital. So see the pathetic story. She went to Mehboob Nagar hospital, but the hospital authorities said there are no, there are no proper methods or proper procedure, proper medical facility not available there. Therefore, advised her to go to Hyderabad. Then police permission. So she came to Hyderabad. She came to this Usman hospital. Then from there she was shifted to Gandhi hospital. From there she was advised to go to Petla Burju hospital, where she delivered a baby boy. Of course, to some extent, see how the distance she has traveled about 200 kilometers, a pregnant woman, a woman about to deliver. That is her pathetic story. It did not stop here. So she delivered a baby boy, but the baby boy developed some disease. Immediately he was advised to be the boy was advised to be taken to Nilovar hospital. See, this man is a poor man. So somehow the Mahinder shifted her and the baby boy to Nilovar hospital, where the boy died. And the health of the woman also deteriorated and she also died. Now Mahinder doesn't know what to do, where to take the dead body. He is a poor fellow. See the pathetic story. So such things do happen. Of course, nowadays we cannot do anything, but the government should think in this regard. They have to take, no doubt. Normally, when as police officers, when we were removing the encroachments, we came across so many people attempt to commit suicide, and they used to say that is the only bowl for them. They can make both ends meet only with that small petty shops, but we didn't care, and we were under the impression that for the welfare of the people, for the welfare of the public, such things do happen. We need not care. But now, after seeing this pathetic story, once again I am reminded how, of course, how as police officer we have to do the same thing. The government should react. At least such cases, the police officers should be given certain leverage, or certain definitely they should be given leverage to allow the passage of such things. Otherwise, it will end in like this only. Very pathetic story. If you have time, please go through the newspapers. It may come tomorrow in the newspapers. Thank you very much.